Malaki pag video eh.
Kada ano yung ano yun, mga ano. Eh, ipadaan ako para makita ko lahat, binibidyo ko. This is the bridge. Ano yung ipod? Para maano ko. See, this is on the Canadian side. This is on the New York side.
Niagara.
Yeah, Niagara. Oh, this is the Canadian side. This is the American side, and this is the Canadian side. That is so cool, guys. That is a building. Oh, that's the good one.
Only one room?
No, it's all the places. It take 2 hours before you finish everything. It's only Niagara, one part. Mahal, can you stay there? You're in video. Welcome to Niagara. Hey, enjoy your stay. Where do you want to stay in this? This is the hotel. Choose the hotel you want to stay. Here. That is so cool, guys. Donnie, you're live. Wala kaming signal sa loob, kaya kailangan namin mag-take ng ano. That is so cool. Have you been in that place, Mahal? I think so. Every place you've been there, right? Yeah. No. You got the ice cream. You got the subway.
Yeah, I've already.
Yeah.
Everywhere. All of it.
And also that one. That. We've been also to Sheraton before. And
And now upside down.
yeah, and also in the Ferris wheel.
In the video.
Yeah. And that is the train, Mahal. Look at the train. Mahal, did you see the train there?
Yeah, the train. See the train.
This is so cool, guys. It looks like we are in Niagara. But this is the miniature. So you park there, and you're gonna go skiing, and this is the truck. Look, Mahal, look. A&W delivery. And this is the Ferris wheel, and this is all the hotel.
No, come inside.
Where's Langaw? Oh.
Come
Because
inside.
it's open. It's
Come inside.
Look at the Ferris wheel. I want to see the train.
Yeah, now they get it.
Oh, this is the deep water where you go to rafting. This is all 3D, guys. Yes, if you go. Here's the train. The train is coming. This is so cool, Mahal. Mata, can you get pictures in your camera? Because I take video. Can you take picture, please? Please. So the train is here in the station now. This is so cool. Our ticket costs $36, $36.99 plus tax. And this is go train. That is so cool. That is a Whirlpool Aero car. Aero car, that one. That's the Whirlpool Aero car. Suspended 200 feet. Aero car. And landscape of the nation. This is the fort. This is the landscape. That is... O, nagtiteka ka anak ng picture? Picture anak, picture. Lahat picturean mo, pati yung sa falls, lahat ha. At ako'y puro video ako. This is Niagara on the lake. And this is the town proper. It's a nighttime. You see it's a nighttime. Oh, that's so cool. So this is a you will see during nighttime on Niagara Lake.